another video. We made it back to California, guys. Texas was so fun. There's no way he's bumping this. Texas was super lit. I hope you guys enjoyed all the Texas content. I filmed so much videos out there, like, and that alone makes me want to move out there so bad. Because we are back here in California, back to the California vlogs. If you guys haven't though, go watch all the Texas content. I think I filmed like 8 or 10 vlogs, dude. So if you're not caught up yet, go back and watch all those videos. But today, we're here with Hugo. We got my GTR. We got my Z. Yeah, the stocks are so ugly.
Went to the meet. Everybody has stocks on.
Why?
I had no clue, and I said it on my blog too. I was like, why does everybody have the stocks on?
Because of the rain. Everyone's taking off their fast boy wheels.
Everybody was taking off their tire and everything.
The rain has not stopped, guys.
I'm kind of over it though.
I'm over the rain. I'm not gonna lie. When it rains, there's no car meets, there's no car stuff. But you got new tires. Look at it. Finally.
Now let's go swing this shit.
You gonna drift it? And he got new headlights. Look at this. One of the last videos, we dropped off Hugo's car at Narvin's house. And Narvin, the homie with the E92, redid his headlights. He got new lenses, which look a little dirty, but new lenses, new angel eyes, all blacked out housing. Pretty much the same headlight setup that I had on my E92. And they look so good, bro. Headlights change up the entire look of the car. Look at that. It looks brand new. Damn, that shit changed a lot. It's way better. We have no plans today, but it is raining, so maybe we'll do a couple of donuts in Hugo's car or something. And if you guys are wondering why we are on the iPhone right now, hold on. Damn, I haven't driven this car in so long. After seeing all those cars in Texas 2K, it makes me want to modify this GTR even more, guys. My car looks way too stock compared to all those cars. I want to get carbon fiber doors, carbon fiber hood, and maybe carbon fiber fenders too. But if you guys are wondering why we are on the iPhone right now, is because my freaking vlog camera that I just bought broke, guys, on the last day of Texas 2K. Thank God it was on the last day because I had to film all week, you know? But the screen just went black. And finally, when I got the screen to turn on again, it started glitching like this. As soon as I got back to LA, I went to Best Buy, took the camera to Best Buy, and unfortunately I was already past like the return policy. I think it was like 2 weeks. But shout out to the homie at Best Buy, whoever he was willing to still swap it out for me, even though it's already been a month with the camera. So we swapped it out, got a new camera. It's coming to my house I think tomorrow, but this time it's in white, so it looks kind of ugly, but whatever. We got the same camera. The black one's just back ordered, so I couldn't even get it. Now hopefully the new one doesn't break. I'm gonna buy warranty on this new camera just in case it breaks again. But it sucks because I really enjoyed that camera, guys. I think the new camera is sick, the new setup. I think the screen was just like defective or something like that. iPhone vlogs for a little bit. We are back in the GTR and I missed this car so much. All the GTRs made me miss my car so much, guys. There's no way. Oh, I missed this car, bro. I don't know if I can sell it, guys. After this weekend, I don't know. We might have to go 1,000 horsepower. About to pump E85 in the car. Back to pumping gas every day. I miss Texas though, guys. It was fun. It was a super fun trip. I'm so glad that I went. Like I said, those GTRs definitely motivated me to continue this build. Because as you guys know, I haven't done much to this car in a very long time. Because I really want to do the carbon fiber doors. And I think I'm going to take off the wrap too. Probably like this week or something. This wrap's cool and all, but it just doesn't look mean. Like those GTRs this weekend looked mean, bro. Comment down below right now. Should I keep this trunk on or should I put the wing back on, guys? It just depends what look you like. I like both of them, so it's hard to pick. Also comment down below, should we change the color or should we just keep it black? I need help. Comment down below right now. Alright guys. Oh my god, I need windshield wipers. We're going up this little canyon. I've never been up this road before. I forgot my GoPro, so we on the iPhone right now. Driving with one hand. Bro, Hugo's car looks so good with those headlights. I've been trying to convince him to do the headlights for years. This is a sick canyon. It's all empty. This is my first time up here. Literally, you could take up both lanes because there's no one up here right now. Yeah, it looks so good with the headlights. Yeah, we gotta come up here more often. I want another E92, guys. They're just so expensive now. Bro, this road's sick, it's sick. Look at all the water coming out. I feel like we're in Japan or something, bro. Hugo's car's so loud, you can't even hear mine. Oh, Hugo's feeling himself with those new tires on. Crazy. Well, I was not expecting to see some snow today, but I guess we're in the snow. Me and Hugo gotta turn around. People are putting chains on. That's how you know it's getting slippery. Bro, I don't think me and Hugo expected there to be this much snow up here. We did not think it was gonna be like this. Can we just do a U-turn and turn around? All right, thank you. I think my GTR could keep going though, because we're all-wheel drive, so pretty sure my GTR could keep going over the snow. You have to have an all-wheel drive car, or you have to put chains on. I didn't expect there to be snow. What the fuck are we doing? Look, it literally says icy. We made it to the snow. Bro, I wasn't expecting to be snow up here like that. Imagine we kept going.
It changed like so quick.
I know.
Like so fast. It's over on snow. I was like, what? I don't think we're supposed to be up here.
They sent us down.
Chains on his tire. I was like, bro, what are we doing?
Yeah, I think we'll literally slide up here, so we gotta be careful. Bro, I want to go in there, but what if I get stuck?
That's what I was thinking.
Do not do it, Hugo. I got stuck in the 92 once in the snow for like 5 hours. Bro, I want to go through it. I want to go over there. Should I try it? You can't even walk because it's so cold. Look, they're literally snow plowing everything.
Look at this food. Asking to get stuck, bro.
We made it back to our little low-key spot. You can see David's tire marks still. I already brought David's F80 ones. And my Z, actually. But Hugo wants to slide it because he got new tires. So why not mess them up? You want me to do it?
Yeah, you try it, then I'll do it.
I'm scared. This thing's loud. Whoa, this shit is way too loud. This thing is loud. I don't know how you're gonna drive this. The same exhaust is like. This is my own exhaust.
Bro?
That was clean. Bro, it's so easy to drift these cars. Like, super easy.
That shit
I was
felt
literally doing it
smooth. Yeah, it felt smooth, yeah.
It's smooth. Once you get it going, it's like, I just tap in the gas like this, bro.
I know. My boy gets down. There's no way. That's my tire? This better not be my tire. That car? The car's literally echoing all the way over there. I hear it.
Should I do it with you in the middle? Let me go around you. Huh? I won't hit you. And if I do, we got good vlog content. It'll be a good video. Bro, it's
too loud. For sure burning the place. Like, it's for sure burning the place.
Bro, it's so easy to drive. One-handed. You can do it, brother. Please
No,
try
I'm
it.
scared right here, bro.
You want me to go with you?
Alright, let's try it.
Let's try it real quick. Yeah, that shit's loud.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.